I'm Nathan Rouse, president of Thoroughbred Drill and Blast Consultants, and I'm here to invite you to join us for our hands-on drill and blast workshop. During our workshop, not only do we have classroom lectures where we go through methodologies, calculations, and learnings on various topics such as explosives types, performance characteristics, drill and blast calculations, overbreak and underbreak control for underground, or if you're in the surface environment, we'll go through high wall control and protection. We also do group activities where you work through calculations as a team. So not only do you see it during a lecture, you also get to experience it yourself and make sure you understand the calculations. Then, every day, we go outside, either on the surface or underground, and we do small-scale experiments and blasts. We really blow stuff up to show you different concepts that we discuss in the classroom. Come with me and let's take a look.
When you're an engineer and you go in the field,
socialize with people.
Was having hands-on experience.
I really liked it to go in the ground, in the field.
Was doing the underground blast. That was like, made my year, made my life.
You were interested to learn more about what was happening.
This is a great opportunity to come together, not only network and get to know each other, but learn best practices for drill and blast. Learn different concepts and methodologies for drill and blast design. Go out in the field. We go outside into the experimental mine and we actually do small-scale tests to demonstrate concepts that we discuss in the classroom.